Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the brakes and rotors on a 2012 GMC Acadia. Pop off the caliper with those two 13s. Pop off the caliper mounting bracket once you pull the caliper off itself with these 21s, one here and one down low. Okay, once you get all the brake calipers and stuff off, you'll need a T30 to pop this guy off to be able to pull your whole rotor off. And I'm going to, before I put the hardware on or put these back on, I'm going to clean all these edges up so it's easier to work with. Once you get those all put back on and all the lube in there, make sure you read the directions to break in the brakes properly. And for the back caliper, you're going to pull off the 13 here and here on the bottom. Pop the caliper off, and then to get the caliper bracket itself off, you got a bolt here, down low over here. So when you do the black rotor, you got to put this rubber cap in off the old brake rotor, and that's how you do the brakes on the Acadia. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next videos. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe.